Hey everyone, it's Sam here and I'm going to be doing the unboxing of Papercraft Society Kit 49. Now I have had this for quite a while. If you have been following me over on my Facebook, then you'll know that I had moved home and I've been doing a lot of work there. And I launched my own Papercraft Society box, which was box 50. So yeah, so my priority was with that box. But even though this is Christmas themed, you'll see inside in a moment, I thought I'm still going to do the unboxing because I've seen that these are, well, this one and some others are half price. So I believe off the top of my head, it's about £13.99, but that finishes today. So the 2nd of January. So if you're watching this video, anytime after that, it will be the normal price. So I thought I'm going to film it, put it out there. It's a beautiful box. Like I said, it is Christmas themed, so I'm done with Christmas makes now. But I know lots of people like to make Christmas cards all through the year. And I know I'm going to start using this again probably around the summertime for Christmas in July. And I'll definitely use it for some Christmas cards next Christmas. So this is box 49, which is by Card Making Magic. Beautiful box. Again, if you're new to the channel and you've not seen these before, all of the patterns and the foiling, everything like that on the front is an indication of the theme and the colours inside. So here you've got create fun cards for everyone, and that's from Christina. So as always, I like to look in the envelope first and then we'll see what's inside the tissue. So you've got, again, a lovely pattern there with the snow and the ice on the top. If you make any cards you share on social media, make sure you use the hashtag Papercraft Society, and then others can find and look for more inspiration. So you can see here we've got dies, stamps, and we've got papers. Now, I haven't seen all what's in this. I genuinely don't know what's inside. I didn't watch Lou's unboxing, which is over on the Craft Stash YouTube channel, but I have seen some cards popping up on Craft Stash chat on Facebook, and it looked really nice. And I didn't want to overwhelm myself with a lot going on, you know, with the house and stuff. So I just thought I'm not going to even look into this. I'm going to save it and use it another time. So you have the main focal stamp here is this gorgeous rooftop, and then you've got your silhouette of Santa. So you can die cut that one and that will give you like the icicles, which will go over the top, but you can also use that on its own and use it on like a 3D make, put it on a gift bag. I think you could actually probably use that just for a new home card as well, actually, thinking about it. So you've got season's greetings and Merry Christmas. You've got Santa's footprints. You've got a couple of little houses there. Again, that one on its own is going to look nice, you know, on like new home cards and things. And then that lovely silhouette. I love a silhouette of Santa and his sleigh because it's just easy. Then you don't have to worry about colouring it in. You've also then got this little kind of trail of hearts. You've got another pretty border there of stars, or like snow, all different snowflakes, sorry. And then you've got the footprints again. So I imagine that will cut out. It'd be that way, won't it? Yeah. So it cuts out the footprints, which is handy if you want to have them all separate. And then you've got one die which will cut out the Merry Christmas there. And then this one says, I think it's Santa's coming. That's what it looks like. So a really nice stamp and die little combo there. And then we've got some papers here. Okay, so we've got this rose gold, it's a non-shed glitter. Then we've got different snowy backgrounds. You've got that lovely one. We've got this one, which has got the scene and like the bokeh kind of style there. I love that one. That's really nice. And then that one as well. Really pretty. I mean, to be fair, if you like to make winter cards, obviously January, February in the UK, it's winter time. I know it varies around the world, but if you do make your winter cards, then I think those backgrounds are going to work really nicely, actually. Okay, so that's everything in the envelope. Now we'll look inside the box. Excuse the glare. I am still working on the lighting setup. It's almost there. I've just got a few other bits to sort out, so you won't get these kind of, you can see my leads and everything. Okay, so inside the tissue paper, we have got, that looks like white. I'm going to say it's like a white embossing powder, and that's glitter. But we'll see in a minute because there's the booklet which will show you what everything is. And then we've got some kind of sprinkles here. Let's have a little look. So, like I said, if you can get this today for £13.99, it would make a nice gift or just a nice little January treat for yourselves. And then use it later on. These are beautiful. Oh my gosh, they're so nice. Anything iridescent, I love. And they're little like flowers, but I guess they're going to look like snowflakes as well, and like snowfall. I think they're gorgeous. And again, they're not, you know, you could use them all year round. They look great on like birthday cards and so on. So they're really sweet. Then you've got some white ribbon. You've then got your coordinating cardstock. Let's see what we've got here. So you've got your kind of like bluey grey, and then you've got your light grey, and then you've got your navy. It's more of an indigo. It's got a purple hue to it, that one. But again, the three together you can see look really nice. These are all a white core, which for this particular box is really good actually, because if you've got maybe like a snowfall embossing folder, if you emboss this, then it will break the top layer of the card and reveal like the white. And you can use like a little nail file or a little sanding block and take the first layer off, and you'll get all the white coming through against the blue. So it will look like snowfall. Really nice. And you can distress the edges. Yes, there's lots of nice things you can do with a white core card. And then we've got the booklet. Now I don't tend to go through this in too much detail because I like to keep it as a surprise. I'll show a little bit more just because it's so late in the day that I've actually done the unboxing for this. But this is Christina on the front here with the box. Again, I haven't seen any of this. This is the first time I'm seeing it with you. That's a good example there of the rooftop. You can see how that dye's been laid over the top. You've got your sentiment there, and then the silhouette of the Santa and sleigh against that lovely pattern paper, and then the little die to cut all those little snowflakes out there. Looks really sweet. Cute little shaker card there with the house, and then the ribbon's been used for the bow. I like Santa's footsteps as well coming out all around it, and then another little one there. So that's a nice overview of how the products kind of look together. Let's see what those two little pots were. Like I said, I think it was white embossing and so F. So yeah, white embossing powder. Your essential shade for stamping and heat embossing effect. Oh, I think maybe they're both embossing powders. It looks like they both are, because they haven't listed the glitter, if it was that, separately, which they would. So you've just got a really sparkly one, and you've got a white one as well. And obviously those sprinkles, you know, the sequins, little ones there, they've been used in that card. What else have we got? So you've got a pretty box card here, which has been designed by Sarah, and she's used the die there of the snow to frame the top of the circle aperture. That's quite a nice idea. And that gorgeous stepper card there, so it's just cut that all down. So just showing you different ways to use it as well. And then I noticed at the back there's this card, so just showing you in, you know, more traditional colours, Christmas colours, your reds and greens there. You don't have to use it obviously with the blues. So that is what's inside of box 49. Like I said, it's a little bit late in the day. I've got some others that I've got to catch up on it as well, but I'm now getting back on track with everything, so should be back to my normal routine that you are familiar with on YouTube. But yeah, if you like this one, like I said, today, the 2nd of January 2023, it's half price. After that, it goes back to full price. So check out the playlist here, which has got all the boxes on. If it's something that you quite like and maybe you want to find out a bit more about, check out the playlist, because it gives you a really good idea on all of the variations of the boxes, because each one is different. You can find the product available here. I will have a direct link, so you can go and check that out. And if you're not subscribed, make sure you click here, and that way you won't miss out on any future videos. See you all again soon. Bye.